Hey guys, I am getting ready to make some Philly cheesesteak on the Blackstone on the griddle. Really super easy. I just made a marinade with avocado oil, apple cider vinegar, pepper, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce. Anyway, I'll make a video about my marinade some other time. I'm gonna griddle it with I have a shaved chuck steak that I got on clearance today because it was about ready to go out of date, and I'm gonna griddle it with some onions and peppers, some Italian seasoning, garlic and pepper, and then I'm gonna put some provolone cheese on it. But what this is really about is I made that viral cottage cheese flatbread. This really is good, guys. I was really surprised because the chaffles sometimes taste too eggy. This did not taste eggy. So come along with me and I'll show you what I did. So in my little ninja chopper, I have a cup of cottage cheese, some Italian seasoning, and some granulated garlic. To that, I'm going to add maybe less than a quarter of a cup of Parmesan cheese and 2 eggs. You know what? It helps if it's plugged in. I'll be right back. So I'm going to blend those up. And then on some parchment paper, just gonna pour it out. Don't want it too thin. And I'm just making it about the size of what I would think would be 2 halves of a sub bun, because what I'm gonna, like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna make some Philly cheesesteak out on the Blackstone. I might put it all in one, but I'm gonna cut it in half after it comes out. Got the oven heating up to 375. You could make this into a wrap if you wanted, like grilled chicken, whatever you want in it. Caesar would be good. A grilled chicken Caesar bun or wrap. But we're gonna make Philly cheesesteaks. So this is gonna make a flatbread. Like I said, I'm gonna cut it down the middle and eat it like almost a sub bun, or I guess you could say a hot dog bun, except it's awfully long for a hot dog bun. I'm gonna stick this in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna check it after 25 minutes to see where it's at and to see if it's starting to brown. And then if we need to, we'll bake it a little bit longer. So I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. All right, this has been baking for 30 minutes. You see how it's golden. And like I said, I'm gonna cut it in half and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it. But that's all it was cottage cheese and egg, and it baked for 30 minutes is how long I baked it for. So this is what half of the wrap looks like. That's the front. That was what was on the bottom. And I'm just taking some steak and some provolone cheese that I melted in there. Made the steak out on the black stone. It was thin sliced chuck steak. I just added some provolone cheese in there at the end. There we go. There's my Philly cheesesteak wrap. You guys, this is so good. You've got to try it. Super easy, super good. See you next time.